So welcome back, Level 2 physicists, finishing up with our 2.1, investigating a non-linear relationship internal, looking at how we're going to discuss and conclude our results. So in terms of concluding the experiment, it's actually quite brief, should be about 2 or 3 lines, and essentially the conclusion leans to link the final variable or result with the aim of the experiment and identify the relationship between the variables. Okay, so you'll have an equation, and then you're going to link the equation you've generated from your linear graph to that first equation. And that's what we're going to do, that last part, comparing the final result with a known physical theory and equation to see if you're close enough. Okay, but the most of the work actually goes into discussing the experiment. Okay, so your discussion needs to have any limitations that you experienced in the experiment from your equipment potentially or your method. Discuss how other variables could have affected the results. That's your control experiments and control variables, and how your control variables could potentially affect the results. Discuss any difficulties that you had during the experiment and how you overcame these potential difficulties. Discuss any anomalies that you witnessed in your data and suggest possible causes for those anomalies. Discuss how accuracy could have been increased for the variables, so how you maybe change of equipment potentially, looking at potential errors like zero error, calibration errors, and how they could have been reduced. Discuss unexpected outcomes in the data processing which caused them and how they were mitigated. So again, that's maybe calculation errors and how you reduce those errors potentially. And then discuss the line of best fit for your second graph in terms of the gradient and the intercept and how they compared to the known formula. Okay, so you're going to get a formula of a form of y equals mx plus c, and you're going to kind of link that to the equation for the experiment, which is also in the form of y equals mx plus c, and how they actually compare. Okay, so that's all you require for the discussion part. So good luck.